everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about meaning and scope of macroeconomics. So what is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics is a branch of economics that studies the behavior and performance of economy as a whole. Macroeconomics is a branch of economics that studies the behavior and performance of economy as a whole. Means macroeconomic focuses on aggregate changes. For example, macroeconomics is not only study about individual income, but macroeconomics is study about national income, because macroeconomics see economy as a whole, not into small parts. Or we can say that macroeconomics is not only study about demand and supply of labor, but macroeconomics is study about total employment and total unemployment, because macroeconomics see economy as a whole. Now we will see scope of macroeconomics. Scope of macroeconomics consists theory of income and employment, theory of general price and level of inflation, theory of economic growth and development, macro theory of distribution. And theory of income and employment consists theory of consumption function, theory of investment function. Theory of consumption function and theory of investment function create theory of business cycles. So one by one we discuss about each. First scope of macroeconomics is theory of income and employment. Macroeconomics is study about factors that determine the national income and employment. Macroeconomics is study about factors that determine the national income and employment. But how can we determine the level of employment? To determine the level of employment, we have to study about consumption function and investment function. Or we can say that macroeconomics also study about consumption function and investment function. Consumption and investment create business cycle. So we can say that theories of business cycles also part of macroeconomics. Second scope of macroeconomics is theory of general price level and inflation. Macroeconomics is study about how general price is determined and also explain fluctuation in general price. General price is overall price of some sets of goods and services. Rise in general price create inflation and fall in general price create deflation. So general price is very important because it create inflation and deflation, which we study under macroeconomics. Next scope of macroeconomics is theory of growth and development. Macroeconomics also study about theory of growth and development. It explains causes of underdevelopment and poverty, and it also suggests strategies to increase growth and development in any economy. Last scope of macroeconomics is macro theory of distribution. Macroeconomics also study about theories of distribution, and theories of distribution deal with relative share of rent, wage, interest and profit in total national income. As we all know, national income include rent, wage, interest and profit, and theories of distribution basically tell us how much rent, how much wage, how much profit included in national income. This is all about the meaning and scope of macroeconomics. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.